Hi, London. How are you doing? Mommy loves you so much and I can't wait to see you. I hope you're being good for Grandma because Grandma loves you so much. If you're watching this, then you're probably kind of fussy right now. But I hope you're eating and you're sleeping okay for Grandma. Mommy will be back very soon to pick you up and take you home. And when we get home, Mommy will cuddle you for hours and hours. Mommy and Daddy love you so much. And Grandma loves you so much too. I'll sing a song for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope you like that, and I hope that you feel better, and Mommy loves you, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye-bye.